Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Technical DD. Today I am starting a new series on Microsoft Teams applications and its hacks. On a daily basis, now we all know that Microsoft Teams is a widely used application, and for our each and every meeting purposes and for each and every educational purposes, nowadays Microsoft Teams is used on a highly basis. So most of the IT admins face difficulties in managing their day-to-day Teams activities for all their organizations. So I'm starting this series to help all the IT admins to secure and manage their Microsoft Teams environment properly. Each episode will deliver actionable steps that IT admins can immediately apply in their M365 environment. By controlling Teams feature, organization strengthens governance and reduces risk. So the tutorials will cover short, clear videos and help IT admins implement changes quickly without digging through lengthy documentation. So let's start with our first video. In our today's tutorial, I will show you how to block or restrict changing of Microsoft Teams profile picture across the entire tenant. Let's dive right in. So let's start with our first video today. So this is our Microsoft Teams admin center. Okay. And if you can see, this is my Teams application. So nowadays, what the IT admins want is all the users in their organization should be get restricted from changing their profile icon. So suppose if I click hover on here, click on here on my profile icon. So suppose if you can see, this is my profile icon. So nowadays, most of the IT employees are changing their profile icon very quickly on a daily basis, and it's hard to track these details. So if you want to restrict this, suppose if I am able to upload this now, okay, I am easily able to change it to some other one. If you can see this, I am changing it to this one now and save it. Once I save it, it will get saved. Okay. So suppose if you have a educational environment and you want to restrict the student from changing their profile icon, because it's very difficult. Suppose if there is a classroom is going on, and suppose if any other users or students basically they do some mischievous things, and if you want to restrict them, okay, so here it's showing us there was a problem saving this. So I will just try to upload one other one. I'm just giving this one again. I'm saving this. This will get saved now. Okay, basically it will take some time. Now it's got saved. Okay, and I just want to restrict changing of this profile icon. What I will do, we'll need to run some PowerShell command over here. So I will log into my PowerShell, connect to the Exchange Online first. Second step is to connect to the IPPS session. Once these both are connected, now you have to run this command. Set over mailbox policy identity mailbox policy default. This parameter is set photo enabled is currently true. So what we will do, we will make this to false. And that's it. Just run this command. As soon as we run this command, you will see the status of this by running this command. It's false now. That means we have now successfully able to disable set photo enabled parameter. Okay, so now if you go to Teams, now let's see. Once refresh, now you can see if it is restricted or not. So now let the content load first. Okay, it's loaded. Now I will hover over here. Now if you can see, I am clicking on this icon. So if you can see, this option is now disabled and I'm not getting any camera icon to select over here. That means we have successfully disabled changing of Microsoft Teams profile icon tenant wide on our entire tenant. If you can see, read over here, picture options are disabled by policy. That means this command will as we are making it to false, that means it will disable the changing of profile icon. This is how you can change the, you can restrict students or IT professional or any user from changing their profile icon on Microsoft Teams application. If you like the video, please subscribe and like the video and share it. Thank you for watching.